The Razortek portable air-cooled 4-in-1 welding machine is compact, lightweight, easy to carry and move, and offers stable performance. Equipped with Raycus CE version generator with 2 years global warranty. This 4-in-1 welding system is simple to learn and operate. Available in 1.5 kilowatts and 2 kilowatts power options. It performs welding, cleaning, handheld cutting, and weld seam cleaning functions, and supports multiple languages. The entire machine is independent design. A powder-coated painting, and all external wiring supports quick connect design. Machine with 2 years warranty. It support online service and on-site training.